Hey guys, just wanted to hop on and share these black and white craft markers I've been using for my DIY projects from Utillo Craft because they are amazing. Okay, so these markers actually have a 0.7 millimeter fine tip. So they are absolutely perfect for detail work like outlining, lettering, or even small designs. Okay, so first of all, let me show you how to use it. Let's get a black one so you can see a little better. You are going to give it a nice shake, okay? And then you are going to give it a nice pulse on the paper just to get some of the air out. And you see it starts coming out like so. So what I've really grown to love and appreciate about these markers is that they're super bold. They're not watery, so you do not have to keep going over the same spot. So this extra fine tip is made for detailed work. And the medium tip is made to color in those extra large areas. Don't judge my picture. I'm no artist. I'm just trying to give you guys an example here. Another great thing about these markers is that they work on pretty much anything. Glass, wood, fabric, you name it, it's gonna work. Watch me attempt to decorate some household items. Okay, so let's give this water bottle a try. So let's see. I'm gonna make a W on it for water. So W, wow, nice and clean, neat. Not the best W in the world, but that's just me, not the marker. Maybe we could decorate the bottle a little. I'll make some zigzags around the edges. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys that it does not smudge. Okay, watch this. No smudging. I just did that. No smudging. You just did this. No smudging. Okay, so I'm going to continue to work on my design a little more, but another cool thing is that you can put this in a dishwasher, guys, and it will not come off. It will not come off at all. So dishwasher safe. Okay, so if you're into crafts or just need something for a detailed project, these markers are definitely a great choice.